Welcome back, YouTube. My name is Nigel MrSchroeter, and today we're going to be talking about the Navy Federal secured loan, the Navy Federal share secured loan. And I'm going to be giving you guys kind of an update video on the last video we did. The last one we did on this loan did great, 56,000 views. I want to beat that with this video. This one's going to be the updated, new, and improved version of that video, where we're going to be breaking it down step by step. I have it outlined this way. All you guys have to do is come back to this video anytime, look at the outline. I'm going to break down further in details each step and help you guys, walking you through. I wanted to answer kind of some of the questions that I saw down in the comments on the last video and make sure that I laid this out as easily as possible for you guys. You guys know I originated this trick and I love it, and I will always advocate for this particular trick. So let's go ahead and talk about it. What are you going to need to use this trick? First thing you're going to need is to like this video, and then you're going to need to look at your tools list. You need an account with Navy Federal Credit Union. If you don't know how to get in, I do have a video about ways to get into Navy Federal when you don't have a sponsor. You're going to need $250 or more. You're going to need at least 3 days to pull this trick off perfectly. You're going to need a cell phone and internet access. So you should have all of those things pretty much if you're watching this video. Granted, you may not have a phone, but hey, borrow a phone, whatever. Let's make it happen. Most people who watch my videos, like 70% of you are watching off of the mobile app, so you do have phones. So let's go ahead and look deeper into this, the steps. Let's break it down. So the first thing that you need to do is put money into your savings account. So once you've opened that account up, go ahead and load that account with the amount of money that you want to put in for the secured loan. I tell everybody, put in the amount of money that you can afford to lose for 3 days. So put in the most money that you could afford to lose for 3 days. It's just that simple. How much money can you afford not to have in your pocket or in your account for the next 3 days? Because the more money you put in, the longer of a term that you can put, which means the more positive payments that you can get reporting. So the next thing, step 2, what you're going to do is you're going to call Navy Federal and you're going to apply for the shares secured loan. So once again, you're going to call Navy Federal and apply for the shares secured loan, the pledge loan, right? So why did I say that twice? I want you guys to listen. I did not say certificate secured. It's not the certificate secured loan. It's the shares secured loan, or the savings secured loan, or the pledge loan, but not the certificate secured loan. If they say certificate, you've got the wrong loan. Do not apply for the certificate loan. I'm going to break it down for you guys a little bit in a moment and explain to you why you should not be applying for the certificate loan. The next thing, do not, I repeat, do not set up auto pay. Do not allow the person over the phone to set up auto pay, because it can sabotage you when you're using this method because of what we're going to do later on. So once again, do not get the certificate loan. Do not set up auto pay. So you're going to call in to Navy Federal. You're going to tell them, hey, I want to set up a pledge loan, a secured loan, whatever. And make sure that when they're signing you up, that they do not sign you up for the certificate loan. Do not sign up for auto pay. All right. The next thing you're going to do when you get off the phone with Navy Federal, you're going to sign into your online account or your mobile banking. So either sign into the app or sign in on the computer. Once you're signed into the Navy Federal app, or you're signed into your e-banking, you want to go to step 4, go to where it says My Applications. You're going to go to the document room and you're going to sign the e-promissory note. So you're going to go into your account and sign the e-promissory note. Now, between step 3 and step 4, when you sign into your mobile banking, do not be alerted that your funds will not be in your account. They draw your funds out of your account when you sign up for the secured loan. When you sign your e-promissory note, they put the funds back into your account. So as soon as you sign your e-promissory note, going into step 5, your funds will be deposited back into your account. So check your account, look at your account, make sure that your funds are deposited back into your account. All right, so this is a secured loan, so you're giving them collateral, which is cash, and they're lending you back the same amount of collateral. So they're going to take the money out, you sign the promissory note, they're going to give it back. All right, that's one of the steps. So that's where people kind of get confused. So I want you to understand that when you sign into your online banking, they're going to have taken the money out. When you sign your promissory note, they give the money back. So now we're on to step 6. Pay off 90% of the loan. So now when you pay off 90% of the loan, a lot of people get freaked out at this point. And this is why I have to remind them not to set up auto pay. Remember, do not set up auto pay up until this point. So you're paying off 90% of the loan. Your due date will be pushed back. So say you got the loan for $250. You pay off $200 or more, your loan date's going to be pushed back. It's a 6-month loan, so your loan date's going to be pushed back 5 months. So now what you're going to do is you're going to wait 72 hours. So once you wait 72 hours, that money will be put back into your account again. So now that this money is put back into your account, which is step 8, those funds are getting deposited back into your account. Now step 9 is pay the remainder of the loan according to the loan terms. So basically just make sure you don't miss the due dates and let those payments stretch all the way out for as long as the term is that you do it. A secret little bonus tip is that you can do this trick with the same funds over and over again. So if you look back at step 5, when you get to step 5, you can start back over and repeat steps 2 through 4 and get another secured loan. And you can keep doing that and then go through steps 6 through 9 later on and pay them off throughout time and let your DTI break down and take advantage of that. So you can get multiple secured loans. Remember that, and you can do it with the same money, because once they deposit it back into your account at step 5, you can call them right back and do the same thing again. Okay, another bonus tip and something for you guys to look out for is that when you're using this particular method, make sure that you check your due dates. Once you have got the funds deposited back into your account, then you could set up auto pay, because the auto pay is going to be set up for the date that they push it back. But you don't want to do that until the funds have cleared back into your account. So that way you can make sure that you don't forget down the line and end up slipping up and having a missed payment, just as well as you are still going to be getting the extra funds. Now, the last bonus tip that I'm going to give to you guys is, remember that if you put down at least $4,000 in collateral, you can stretch your payments out for 60 months. Why am I telling you this? Because $4,000 is the minimum for you to have 5 years or 60 months of positive payments, where you're only going to be paying 2% interest on the money that's left over. So you're only going to pay 2% interest on whatever you leave on the loan at the end. Remember, you can pay this down more than 90%, but you don't want to pay it down too far, because it will end up getting written off in certain instances, and they'll go ahead and close the account out and write off if you accidentally pay it off in full. So just remember that. And as always, thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the other channels. Go to our community page, participate. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see. Leave me any comments if you guys still have any questions on this topic. And as always, I'll see you guys in the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.